Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or change your name or nickname on your Facebook app on your iOS or Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon on the top right. You want to select the Settings and Privacy button to expand the menu, and then select Settings. Scroll down underneath Audience and Visibility and select Profile Details. And then you'd want to scroll down again. So underneath Name Pronunciation, you can click the little pencil next to it to edit your name pronunciation. You can also add additional or other names by selecting Add Other Name in here. So if you want to add a nickname, you can do that right through here. And you can also show it at the top of the profile as well. So it would show at the top. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.